Did you know your car's AC might be running at only 60% of its full potential, even if it feels cold? And most drivers are unknowingly sabotaging their own system. But doing just a few simple things can make your AC blow twice as cold and way faster. No mechanic required. In this video, I'll break down exactly what to check, what to clean, and what button you might be pressing wrong. And don't even think about skipping number 3. It's the one thing 90% of drivers forget, and it's killing your AC performance. So, let's start with number 1. Recharge with exact refrigerant amount. Your system needs the exact amount of refrigerant, not close enough, not I'll eyeball it, but spot on to the gram. Most people just toss in a can and hope for the best. But guess what? Overfilling can cook your compressor, and underfilling? That's just a weak breeze pretending to be AC. Your car isn't a smoothie blender. You can't just toss stuff in and hope it works. Look under the hood. Find the label that tells you the factory spec refrigerant, like 550 grams or 19.4 ounces. Then, either use a digital scale or a gauge-equipped canister to hit that sweet spot. Want to level up? Vacuum out the old refrigerant first so you're not mixing who knows what in there. Because, let's be honest, guessing might work at a carnival, but not when you're chasing ice-cold AC in the middle of summer. Number 2. Replace the cabin air filter. If your AC feels more like someone lightly blowing through a straw, don't blame the compressor just yet. Check that cabin air filter. Over time, it turns into a dirty, dusty wall of regret, blocking airflow like a clogged nose during allergy season. Even if your system is cooling perfectly, that cool air won't get through if the filter's packed with leaves, pollen, or that weird smell you've been ignoring. Swapping it takes 5 minutes and costs less than your drive-through lunch. If you just recharged your refrigerant but forgot this step, you're still breathing through a pillow. So replace the filter, let your AC breathe freely, and enjoy air so cold it might just slap you awake on your morning commute. Number 3. Check radiator and condenser fans. If your AC blows chilly while driving, but turns into a sad sigh at stoplights, your radiator or condenser fan might be snoozing on the job. These fans are the unsung heroes that keep your refrigerant cool while the car isn't moving. No fan action. Then, your AC system is basically sweating in a sauna, trying to chill without any airflow. Pop the hood, crank the AC to max, and look for those fans spinning like they mean it. If they're dead still, you could be dealing with a blown fuse, relay, or even a burnt-out motor. And don't fall into the "it works while driving, so it must be fine" loop. That's just wind doing the fan's job. Fix it, and your AC will actually stay cool when it matters most, like in traffic, where you need it the most. Number 4. Use recirculation mode. If you're blasting your AC on a hot day and still feel like you're inside a toaster oven, you might be sabotaging yourself. That little button with the loopy arrow? Yep, that's recirculation mode, and it's your AC's best friend. When it's off, your system is sucking in hot, humid air from outside and trying to cool it down from scratch, like trying to chill soup with an ice cube. But when recirculation is on, your car just keeps recooling the already cooled air inside. It's faster, colder, and way less work for your system. If you're skipping recirculation, you're basically asking your AC to do CrossFit in July. Hit the button, trap the cold air, and feel that instant igloo effect. No sweat, literally. Number 5. Clean the AC condenser. If AC feels like it's trying, but just can't quite deliver that crisp, frosty blast, the problem might be hiding right in front of your face, literally, behind your front bumper. That's where your AC condenser lives, and over time, it collects a nasty coat of bugs, dirt, leaves, and road grime. When that happens, it can't do its job of cooling the refrigerant properly. So the air blowing inside your car is more meh than mountain breeze. The fix? Give it a rinse. A simple spray from a garden hose, gently please, those fins are fragile, can work wonders. Skip this, and your AC might be running full throttle with nothing to show for it. So the next time you're washing your car, aim a little lower, and show your condenser some love. Number 6. Cool cabin before blasting AC. Jumping into a sun-baked car and cranking the AC to max is like trying to freeze a pizza oven with a desk fan. It's just not gonna happen fast. Instead, roll down your windows for 30 to 60 seconds and let the scorching air escape before you turn on the AC. That way, your system isn't fighting 140-degree Fahrenheit interior air. It's starting with a cooler baseline. Think of it as giving your AC a running start instead of asking it to pull a full sprint uphill. If you skip this step, no matter how well you recharge the system or clean the condenser, you'll still feel like your AC is taking a coffee break. So, crack the windows, let the heat bail out, then fire up the AC and watch your cabin turn chill mode on fast.